Heavy-duty snaps are a great replacement for buttons, sew-on snaps, and Velcro on apparel, furniture, and accessories. To use these snaps, you will need the snaps themselves and heavy-duty snap pliers. Snaps come with 4 different pieces: the front and the back of the male side, which are called the stud and the post, and the front and the back of the female side, which are called the cap and the socket. The socket and the stud will be the pieces that snap together. Heavy-duty snap pliers have different attachments depending on what piece you are attempting to attach at the moment. Start by using the cone punch and the round die base to punch holes in the fabric where you would like the snaps to be. If the fabric you are using is too thick for the pliers, you can use scissors to make a small hole. Next, with the metal splitting punch and the black cap holder, place the cap in the pliers and stick it through the hole. The cap should be on the outwards facing side of the fabric and the socket should be on the inside. Squeeze the pliers hard. If the snap is not on tight, squeeze it again. Lastly, use the metal splitting punch and the purple post holder to attach the male side of the snap. The post should be on the underside of the fabric and the stud should be on the front where it will be attached to the socket. To change out the attachments, use the slip hook on the gray tool remover and push it down. Heavy-duty snaps are easy to use, super strong, and a permanent fix for projects from making a jacket to fixing a boat cover. I hope this tutorial helps with your next snap project.